studying GS, you cannot do anything. You cannot make up for it. The rest, out of the remaining part, um, 50% out of 50%, 25% is your mains. Sorry, your optional. So 50% was your GS, 25% is your optional. So which means that you have to choose your optional wisely. Again, it does not mean that you just pick the optional which is the most scoring. It is extremely important that you pick up an optional which aligns with your interest, because you have to study it, you have to perform. For example, maths was my strength, so I picked up maths. If your humanities subject, whichever you're pursuing, is your strength, please go pick up करो. Uh, if because if you're अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट लाइन करता है, आप ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें स्कोर कर लोगे. However, अगर आपका उसमें मन नहीं लग रहा है, या आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर्स देख के लग रहा है कि आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है, यू कैन ऑलवेज एक्सप्लोर अदर ऑप्शंस. Other options around anthropology, other options around public administration, political science, and so on. Geography, sociology, philosophy. I don't need to like go into that. So you can explore these optionals, go through the syllabus, and see the type of questions that are being asked. If that appeals to you, you can really pick that up. But do it primarily based on your interest, primarily based on what makes you study, what helps you study. कुछ नया लेके बस रिस्क नहीं लेना है यहाँ पर. It needs to align. It's a very important decision. I've seen aspirants change options after 2 attempts or 3 attempts because वो align नहीं हुआ था. Sometimes that can help, but you would ideally want to take the right first step in deciding that optional.